Fish are the sea lion's staple. Adults will venture into the abyss in search of squid or octopus. These champion deep divers can collapse their lungs to avoid decompression sickness and dive to 900 feet. The rocky shoreline gives way to great stretches of sandy bottom. A colony of shy garden eels snatches plankton from the water and melts away into the sand. Others build their homes, even upon our disasters. The Sea of Cortez smashed this 300-foot-long ferry on the rocks 30 years ago. It can take decades for the ocean to absorb the toxic soup of a massive shipwreck. At first, the steel skeleton is a refuge for weary travelers. Tiny crustaceans attach themselves, providing a reliable source of food. When the corals arrive, the wreck becomes an artificial reef, a breeding ground, a hunting ground. Predator or prey, nearly every living thing in the Sea of Cortez depends on a single tireless force for survival. The current. It is the lifeblood of the sea. These juvenile porcupine fish are riding an invisible highway to their next destination. Most currents run horizontally. Here, they flow deep and wide. Even on the calmest days, the conveyor belt is always running. As the Pacific Ocean rises and falls with the tide, it pushes and pulls water to and from the Sea of Cortez. Sun-warmed water rises to the surface, and the wind pushes it southward. All of this movement transports water on an epic scale, drawing nutrients up from the deep, a nectar of organic matter and microscopic organisms. Fan corals along the sea walls grab their fill from the stream,